Hi on my channel. Today's recipe is for a delicious rice salad with leek. As always at the start, I invite new viewers to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell and you will be up to date with my recipes. I present a list of the necessary ingredients. You will find the same list in the description under the video. Under the video, I add also a link to the blog where you will find all my recipes. We need 100 g of cooked rice, 250 g of Dr. Next, a can of canned corn. We season the whole with salt and pepper. Then we add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and mix everything together. The salad looks beautiful, tastes very good, so prepare it necessarily. Of course, watch my next materials. I decorated the ready one with fresh dill and ready. Enjoy your meal. Prepare necessarily. Leave a comment. Watch my next materials. Greetings.